Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today, we'll explore how to create a business presentation visual using pixel aspect ratio in Photoshop. A slide opens, but proportions feel off on screen. Pixel aspect ratio corrects the display logic. Charts realign. Shapes regain structure. Business data feels trustworthy again. This fix ensures professionalism in meetings. Calm adjustments bring visual harmony. The slide now supports the message instead of distracting from it. Thank you for watching. Keep practicing and let your creativity speak louder every day.